CCS, hello world. Good day to our Dean of College of Computer Studies and our advisor for quantitative research. In our survey research with title of Preferred Learning Mode of Second Year BSIT Student, Online or Face-to-Face Education at Mindoro State University. This research was presented by Lorences Bumagvargas and John Lawrence Ballesteros.
Introduction. The pandemic due of COVID-19 virus has the huge impact in academic community. Many colleges, instructors, and students at all levels had been affected by inability to move quick to electronic and online learning environments. Objectives of the study. These objectives aims to provide actionable solution for the university based on the study findings. The recommendation could involve offering hybrid learning models, improve online resources, and restructuring face-to-face classes. First is to identify the factors influencing the learning mode preference of second-year BSIT student at Mindoro State University. Second is to assess the academic performance and engagement of second-year BSIT student in both online and face-to-face learning modes. Third is to compare the psychological and social impacts of online and face-to-face education on the second year BSIT student. And the lastly is to propose recommendation for the university based on the findings regarding the preferred learning mode.
And for our conceptual frameworks is, and for independent variable is online and face-to-face. And for the dependent variable is grades, test scores, assignment, completion of rates, and last is project quality. And the methodology is, this study is to ensure the structures approach for understanding and preferred learning mode of second year BSIT student at Mindoro State University. Through quantitative research and statistical analysis, the study aims to provide insight that can help educators and policymakers improve learning and experience based on student preferences. And our respondent for this research is the all second year BSIT student, and our research method will questionnaire or survey. And now we'll talk about the survey question. They have a possible survey question in our survey research. Number one is, what is the most preferred learning mode, online or face-to-face, among second year BSIT student at Mindoro State University main campus? And the number two is, what are the key factors influencing second year BSIT student preferences are for online and face-to-face learning? For number three is, how does preferred learning mode impact the academic performance and engagement of second year BSIT student? And number four is, what challenge do second year BSIT student face both online and face-to-face learning environment? And last is there a significant difference in learning satisfaction between students who prepare online learning and those who prepare face-to-face classes? Of course, the last of our presentation and the last slide of this PPT or the PowerPoint presentation is the bibliography. And this is our bibliography for this research. And after the bibliography, that's all. Thank you.